So the reason why I joined Bootcamp is because I feel like Ton is a blue ocean at the moment within the market in Web3.
One of the best things to go to Bootcamp is actually not to build a product, but it's to pitch it, because you can get the first traction, you can verify your concept in front of the judges, and just having a good time. That's it.
I was really interested into visiting the place, talk to other people that work in the same ecosystem as I do, ask a question to the authorities presented here.
And we got a lot to learn about Ton and got to connect with Ton, and it was a great experience here.